morning, Mr. Indong. Thank you for coming in today. We're excited to learn more about you. Could you start telling by us a bit about yourself?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. I have a background in marketing and have spent the past 5 years working at XYZ company where I manage various marketing campaigns and lead a team for three. I'm passionate about digital marketing and enjoy finding creative solutions to drive results.
Oh, that sounds great. Can you share an example of a successful project you work on?
Certainly, one of my proudest achievements was a social media campaign that increased our online engagement by 40% in just 3 months. I focused on data driven decision marketing and collaborated closely with the content team to produce relevant and engaging content.
Impressive. How do you handle tight deadlines and high pressure situations?
I tried in fast-paced environments in my current role. I had to juggle multiple projects with deadlines to manage trees. I put prioritize tasks delegate when necessary and maintain open communication with my team. Excellent.
Excellent. Could you tell us about your experience with teamwork and collaboration?
Teamwork is essential in marketing. I believe in fostering a positive team culture at XYZ company. I encourage regular brainstorming sessions and promote a supportive environment where team members could share their ideas and concerns. This lead to increased creativity and productivity.
That's a valuable approach. Lastly, why do you want to work for our company?
I've been following your company for a while, and I'm stressed by your innovative approach to marketing. Your commitment to staying ahead of industry trends aligns with my own goals. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team and help achieve your marketing objectives.
Thank you for sharing that. We appreciate your interest. We'll be in touch soon. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I'd like to know more about your team's dynamic and the biggest challenge by the marketing department is currently facing.
Certainly, we can discuss that. Thank you for time today.